We're talking about Bank of Canada printing money. We're talking about, for example, people say money doesn't grow on trees, but it used to be made from trees. And there's people headed towards digital. What's your take on digital currency, centralization of that, and having the Bank of Canada in charge of currency via digital?
Yeah, I'm against that. It must not happen because it's a way to control people. You know, the most important of that is our privacy. Actually, what is a central bank digital currency? Just to be clear with everybody, when you go to the grocery or you go to a restaurant today, you can pay with your debit card or your credit card or with cash. If you pay with your debit card or your credit card, and tonight you go on the website of your bank and you look at your bank account, you can see all the transactions that you did during the day with your debit card or with your credit card. You have all that information. These data are private data, private information between you and your banker. Your banker does not have the right to sell that information, that every Monday you're going to Costco or every Thursday you're going to Walmart. So they don't have the right. It's a private information. What will happen when we'll have a central bank digital currency? What will happen? Actually, it will be easy. The federal government will tell you, we have a new program and new subsidies. And if you want to have that money, you need to register with the central bank, and the money will come from the central bank. So what will happen? All the information between you and your banker will be now between you and the central banker, between you and these bureaucrats. They will know all the transaction that you are doing. Like actually right now, your banker knows everything that you're doing, but the central banker will know, the bureaucrats will know, and the politician will know. So that's goodbye to your privacy, and they can use that information to control your behavior, saying, this month you spend a lot of gas, and we must fight climate change. So next month you won't be able to use your debit card or your credit card to buy gas. So that can happen. But if you tell me, Maxime, oh, no, that won't happen. Actually, in the 2022 budget, the Trudeau government gave $17 million to the finance department and to the Bank of Canada over 3 years to look at the central bank digital currency and to work on a bill that will be tabled in the House. So what I'm telling you, in 2025, the Trudeau government may come with a bill that will put forward the idea of a central bank digital currency. We must fight that if we want to keep our privacy. But what they're saying to us, it would be more efficient. It would be more efficient. No, we don't need that. The system right now is very efficient, and we don't need that. That's only a way to control us, to control our behavior. And we are the only national party that is against that.
Yeah, we saw what happened with the convoy truckers and the freezing of the bank accounts. Can you imagine if the government didn't have to go through the banks to get that done?
Yeah.
It would be just a button push. It would be incredible.
Yeah, in terms of like CBDC, are always sold as convenience, right? And that's exactly what we're seeing here. And it sounds like if you take a look at it, it sounds like it's an attempt to nationalize the banking system, right? So you put all your five big banks. We don't really have that many in Canada, and then they're all ultimately going to be answering to a central bank, which is nationalization. But to